What is up, investors? Jason here. So we have Bitcoin now surpassed $60,000, going up to the all-time high right now. This is big news, and we're starting to see a little bit of breakout with some of the altcoins. And one that we really need to be talking about is Polkadot. Polkadot is also nearing all-time highs right now, and I think that this is something that we really need to be watching. This is an altcoin that I think has a lot of potential, and it is one of the biggest altcoins that are out there. So in this video, as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor because it helps me out a lot, and that is if you smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, spreads videos to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. And a lot of you guys are not subscribed, by the way, so please do subscribe. Now let's get to it. So this is what we got going on over in the crypto space right now. We got Bitcoin above $60,000, Ethereum above $3,800 at this moment. We got Cardano moving up a little bit, now at $2.20 range at this moment. And things are looking really good. We got the altcoins, some of them doing, some of them in the green, some of them in the red, but that's okay. Some of these have made some pretty big moves, like Shiba Inu, for example, which has had an amazing run recently, having some pullback at this moment. But now, before we get into Polkadot, though, I do want to mention a little bit about Bitcoin, just because as we have Bitcoin currently above $61,000, this is a territory that has a lot of resistance. $61,000 or above $60,000 in general is a territory that Bitcoin doesn't really have much experience in, obviously. So what we're going to have a lot of trouble with is trying to get Bitcoin above that $64,000 price, and that's where we're going to need to be finding support with Bitcoin, is that $64,000 price to be able to get Bitcoin trending up well above its all-time high. And that's kind of like the goal here, because I think it's a great possibility that we're going to see Bitcoin going to that $100,000 price that a lot of people have set a target for, possibly even by the end of 2021. I think it's a very high possibility that that could happen, but to be able to get there, it's going to be all about smashing the previous all-time high and continue going from there. But I think with the whole Bitcoin a futures ETF and all these other catalysts that are really helping Bitcoin right now is just something that's going to really be beneficial for crypto in general, and it's going to be very beneficial to all the altcoins. And with what's going on with Polkadot that we're going to be getting to, it's going to really help out that, because there's a lot of great things in store for Polkadot. Now, Polkadot is approaching its all-time highs. Now, back in May of this year, that is when it reached its all-time highs, a little bit above $50 at that time. And what we're seeing right now is that we had just broken a resistance at around $39, and we were able to go through that, find support above it, and right now we're approaching that price of $45 as the next resistance that we need to really be getting over at this moment. Now, we were able to hit $45 briefly, and right now we're still trying to work our way above that resistance. So hopefully we're able to do it, and we're able to find support above it, and then work our way up to that $50 price and find support above that. That would be great. So we don't really have a whole lot to go at this moment to get there, and this nice rally that we're on right now is a really good sign that there is a lot of potential behind this. Now, to bring you guys at the previous rally that we had, looking at the way that it had gone up, we're kind of seeing that same type of trajectory with this right now. So hopefully we are able to succeed from this. We did bottom out at a much lower price than the previous time that it rallied, and I wouldn't be surprised that we don't go possibly $5 or so above the previous all-time high. If everything is to work out with this rally. We're seeing a lot of great things with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, is going near approaching its all-time high, and hopefully it can surpass that. So that's going to be great for all these altcoins in general. Now, looking at where we're at with the coin market cap, Polkadot is currently the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and it's having a fantastic last 7 days, with it being up more than 30%. Its current market cap is $43.269 billion. Now, what's going on with Polkadot is they're getting ready to launch a Parachain auction. Parachains are separate layer 1 blockchains and can run in parallel and send data to each other. They bring a multi-chain architecture of several networks to Polkadot, and they can enable other layer 1 protocols like Ethereum and Bitcoin to seamlessly connect. The Polkadot team has been testing its Parachain technology and process on its guinea pig network, Kusama. To make sure they are battle tested for launch, it has now set a likely date of November 11th for accepting bids to build on Polkadot. A parachain can be modified to carry out specific DeFi functions. Plus, what Polkadot has set out to do could enable different blockchains to work together as part of one ecosystem, which could bring the Wi-Fi crypto adoption that Cardano's founder Charles Kostenson has described. Now, I always pay attention to everything that I'm investing into when I do see this type of V-shaped correction. So what Polkadot was already doing was it was already playing catch up to its losses, and we are already seeing a whole lot of bullishness within the whole crypto space in general. Just like how we saw Cardano start changing directions around July as well, we saw the same thing happening with Polkadot, and hence we have seen a dip in a lot of the cryptos back in September. For the difference here with Polkadot than say something like Cardano, Polkadot has a new catalyst to really be looking forward to and a date for when that's coming out. So it's kind of like the same thing that we saw with Cardano when we saw the price of Cardano already trending up, and then we got the news about the Alonzo update release when that was coming out, and we really saw the price of Cardano going up a lot. We're seeing that same thing happen right now with Polkadot, but the thing is with Polkadot, it hasn't surpassed its all-time highs yet at this moment, so there's still a lot more to be looking forward to. We still have a max price, an all-time high, that we're still approaching and trying to surpass that as well. Now, what we need to be paying attention to is just how over these last couple of days, we've seen the price of Polkadot go up about $10. So a price increase that high, going from $33 to $43, is a lot to really be paying attention to, especially now from where we're at being at $43. We only have to go up another $7 to reach that all-time high and then be able to surpass that. So there's a lot of possibilities right now with Polkadot that we need to be paying attention to. Now, just a quick update as I am wrapping up this video. We do have Polkadot surpassing $44 right now. So it is fighting that resistance very well, and hopefully it continues its trend. Now, I think it could be possible that we could be seeing Polkadot surpass the price of $50 probably by the next 24 hours if this video is posted, or the next 48 hours, as long as this bullish behavior that we're seeing right now continues. But it's very possible we can be getting some pullbacks. So don't take that too literal and say, hey, this video didn't age well, because I hear that all the time, and so does every other YouTuber. But as far as a price prediction goes, as time does go on, as we get closer to the Parachain Auctions on November 11th, as long as that all goes to plan and everything keeps going the way it is, I think it could be very possible that we could be seeing the price of Polkadot probably even going as high as $70 by that time. And that's going to be something that we're going to keep watching, and I'll continue keeping you guys updated with what Polkadot is doing as well. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video coming very soon.